you guys remember this truck from a few weeks ago. Has a single cam Ka24 turboed. We put a stock ECU, but had Jim Wolf Tech tune it to the turbo. I think this is 750 or 850 cc's, something like that. I'll put it on the video or description. Fuel pressure is good. We got the Z32 MAF, and it had a problem with the MAF before, which is why I couldn't get it running. The signal and the voltage were swapped around, and it made sense in here because it was white to white. I think they put white to white and then black to black, which is what, I mean, you think what would happen, what would work, but this one didn't work and it wasn't working. But now it idles. Just have to put this little bracket back on, make it nice and neat. Finally bled the brakes. What else? Gabe Franco did this tube front end, and then I came in and started working on the wiring, motor, got it running. Bought a bunch of wire sleeve. What am I doing here? I had a mess coming back, but I'm fixing. What is this? This was already here. Okay, so I was missing some wire sleeve, so I wire sleeved the box for the Defi, which is where you can see all your vitals. What is this? This is from the ignition. Wire loom that. This is to the chassis, I believe, and lights. A wire loom that. I still gotta wire loom all this, make it look all nice and neat. Did my, installed some fuse boxes there. The bottom one's for Keon, the top one is for constant, like chassis stuff, and I still need to work on chassis wiring on this. So that's why I put that one there, and then that one's Keon, just like everything else. Gauges, switches, USB. This right here is the Can-Am. I forget who makes it, but it's by Datsun. I'll also put the link in the description as well. It's pretty handy though. You got the main fuse, the ECS fuse, and their ECU fuse, and the fuel pump. But fuel pump, I have it right here, so there's no need to connect that one. But it's handy instead of having a bunch of relays and fuses. Makes it look all nice and neat. This one's for my fuel pump relay. This is my fans relay. Got the fans right here to a switch, fuel pump to a switch. That's pretty much it. There's a ECU. This is a dual cam Ka24e dual cam ECU for a single cam, because you can't tune the single cams, but you can tune the dual cams. I forget what it is, but it only has one code. I checked the code, and it only has one code. Is the NOx sensor, which this motor didn't come with a NOx sensor, so that's why. Okay, Franco made this sick ass Hydro 2. All right, fix the MAF sensor wiring, TPS ground wiring, so she idles now. It's much better. Fans turn on. All done with the wiring there. Cleaned up a little bit in here. All the wiring is all tucked away. I don't know if you guys can see this, but got the ECU mounted on the side. The code's easily ready to read. Relays up there, fuse box over there. Kind of cleaned it up. Not too, I wish I could have done better, but for the time given, and this being my first wiring job, I wouldn't say it's too bad. Got this is accessory if you want to charge your phone or whatever. This is on. I'll turn on your fans. Got your fans. Fuel pump. You can hear the fuel pump. If you want to rip, is hitting on. Okay, fix that problem. Running okay. Oh my god, I don't know what's up with this gauge. Not AEM, I don't know what it is, but it's not running too good. Oh, damn! Yep, there she is. For those of you who wanted to know what was up with this, Gary Franco did all the fabrication, tube front end, any metal, aluminum that you see, intercooler, anything he did. Everything else I did motor wise, wiring, tucking, and diagnosing, checking all this, wiring up all the switches, fuse boxes, and all that. But fun to say I'm done. Now I have to get a tune. Thanks for watching. Hopefully she's out of here. I don't have to see her again, except for some upgrades later.